Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a very exciting video. We are going to be making the viral TikTok feta pasta.
Because of this recipe, the grocery stores in Finland ran out of feta cheese. Here's how to make it. Add tomatoes, olive oil, salt, and pepper to a baking dish. Then add a block of feta cheese right in the middle. Bake at 400 for 35 minutes. When it comes out, add some fresh garlic, fresh basil, and give it all a good mix. Then add some of that cooked pasta right on top and give everything a good mix once again. And then it's time for the taste test. So good.
With a little twist, we'll get to that a little bit later. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. I'm gonna need you to hit it. We have a lot of fun here on my channel doing makeup, food, fashion, lifestyle, anything you could ever want. And if you enjoy this particular video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So let's get on to this cooking fiesta. All right, first step, we have to preheat our little oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but we have Celsius, so approximately 205 degrees Celsius. Game on. These are our ingredients. Lots of beautiful tomatoes, mushrooms, shallots. This is our twist, ladies and gents. In the TikTok video, they just used plain feta cheese, but we are replacing it with Boursin cheese, which is like kind of like a creamy cheese, but it has like, it's herby and it's so good. And we are excited for this twist. I think it's gonna make it even better. Now we are boiling our pasta water, getting it ready for game time. Okay, so first we're going to unwrap and place the Boursin cheese in here. Ignore my nails, they're going through it right now. Boom. All right, so first thing we add to this situation is shallots. We're working with limited means here, so we're using a plate as a cutting board. Okay, now we need to shred some garlic. This is not garlic, this is basil. Into the dish.
I don't know what the difference between a shallot and onion is. I feel like shallots are just more pretentious.
I think they're just baby onions.
Dude, are you okay?
It's the shallots.
You need to go to the hospital.
And this is why I can't cut the onions or the shallots or anything. we're going through it over here. So now we're adding garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. And now she's going in the oven for 15 minutes. So now we have our additional toppings, which are mushrooms and spinach. So we start cooking the mushrooms, we'll saute them, and then we'll add them in later with the pasta, which is boiling right now. Thank you. Thank you, camera woman.
You're welcome.
Here is the final masterpiece. Look at that. It smells so good. I can't wait. Have you chosen? All right, here we go. It's good. It's really good.
Rate us on 1 to 10.
Let me get another bite. I didn't get a mushroom in that first one. Like really good. Like a 10.
Like a 10?
Like a 10, that's a really good. It could use some salt, so maybe like a 9, but like 9.5, 10, really. You try it.
It's 10. It's really
Right,
good.
it's so good. I'm glad we decided to add the mushrooms and spinach. I think that added a lot.
You wanna try it? No.
All right, here she is. We're ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. Again, both of those things really help me out and I would really appreciate it. And let me know what you think in the comments if you would make this recipe. I'll link our recipe in the description box so you can make it at home if you'd like to. And that's all from me. So stay on fleek, friends. Bye.